ट्रंप की मौजूदगी में गाजा अमन मुआहदे पर दस्तखत हुए। नायब वज़ीर आज़म वज़ीर ख़जाना इसहाक़ डार ने कहा कि गाजा में अमन के लिए कोशिशों पर अमल दरामद जारी है। हमें इंसानियत बचाने के लिए भरपूर कोशिशें करना होंगी।
Should make a sincere efforts to stop the human bloodshed which has been ongoing for 2 years in Gaza, and those countries include Jordan, Egypt, Saudi Arabia, UAE, and on the Islamic countries which are non-Arab, Indonesia, Pakistan, and Turkey. So we ended up ultimately, you might have seen recently, last month, a peace agreement signed in the presence of President Trump by all 8 countries on the initiative, and it was sealed. So now the efforts are that this peace agreement should be implemented truly in letter and spirit, because there are grave violations which have come to the media and come to the knowledge. Obviously, in our holy book, we are trained and we are taught that killing of human being tantamounts to killing of the entire humanity. It doesn't say the human being is Muslim or Jew or Christian or non-Muslim. It doesn't say anything. It was decided that some